Hello, my beautiful tribe of thrivers. Have you ever had one of those days where it feels like everything is being thrown at you? The doubts, fear, stress, all the what ifs? Yeah, those are fiery darts. And guess what? God has already given you a weapon to block every single one of them. And that weapon is called the shield of faith. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day it happens to be in your neck of the woods. Welcome to Servant's Heart. My name is Shira, and today we will be breaking down what it means to have a shield of faith. Now, the shield of faith comes straight out of Ephesians chapter 6, verse 16, where Paul declares, in addition to all this, take up the shield of faith, with which you can extinguish all the flaming arrows of the evil one. Now picture this. In biblical times, a Roman soldier's shield was as big as a door. You could literally crouch behind it and be completely covered. And Paul uses that picture to remind us faith isn't just a tiny idea floating around in your head. Faith is your covering. Faith means trusting God at His word, even when everything around you screams the opposite. And it's standing firm and saying, I may not see it, but I believe it. God said it, and that settles it. Now, how exactly do we use this shield of faith? Well, for starters, we need to speak the word out loud. When the enemy throws a dart like you're not good enough, you can step back and block it. Psalm 139, verse 14. I am fearfully, wonderfully made. Next, we need to make a conscious decision to choose faith over feelings. Feelings say, I am afraid. But in 2 Timothy chapter 1, verse 7, it says, God has not given me a spirit of fear. And then last but not least, we need to stay behind the shield daily. A shield only works if you pick him up. Every morning before you step into your day, declare your trust in God. Pray out loud. Lord, I take up the shield of faith today, and I trust in you. And remember, the shields in the Roman army were even stronger when soldiers locked them together. And that's why fellowship and community matter. Your faith plus mine equals stronger protection. So, when do you think we would need this shield of faith? For starters, when fear hits you at night, your mind won't stop racing, or when you're facing temptation, or how about when life blindsides you, like a diagnosis, a loss, a betrayal, and you don't know how you'll make it through. Then there's also when you feel alone, and you start to wonder if God has forgotten you. That's when the fiery darts fly. But with your shield of faith, every dart fizzles out before it can even reach you. Not some of them, all of them. God promises it. So here's the deal. You don't leave home without your phone, right? Nobody ever leaves home without their phone. I mean, I have, but it was certainly by accident. Well, look, your shield of faith is just as important, and you don't want to leave home without it. Hold it up, use it daily, and remember, you are fully equipped to block every attack of the enemy. Because at the end of the day, faith is not about what you see. It's about who you trust. And when your faith is in Jesus Christ, shield is unshakable. So suit up, thrivers, and raise that shield. The darts may fly, but not a single one has to stick. Alrighty, then my next video will cover the helmet of salvation. And if you've received any value from this video, please hit the like button. It's completely free, and it tells YouTube to share this message with more people just like you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to join the tribe by hitting subscribe. And If you'd like to support my work, you can click the Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. It is never expected, but always greatly appreciated, as creating these videos is my full-time job, and I truly love and appreciate every single one of you. So until next time, God bless you and all of your loved ones. Bye.